Hi, I'm Jenny. I'm going to be your tax preparer today. Can I see your intake sheet?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. All right, so I just want to go over this quickly with you and make sure everything is correct. All right, so last name is Gomez, just the one last name?
Yep.
Okay. And you do have a valid Social Security number?
Yep.
All right. And that is March 8th for your birthday?
Correct.
All right, not blind or disabled. You are a citizen. No student this year?
No.
All right, and let's see, you're on Pine Street, and that is an apartment.
Correct.
All right, is that 107?
Yes.
All right, great. So make sure I read it right. And this is the best phone number to reach you at?
Yep.
Is that a cell phone?
It is, yes.
Okay, great. I'm just going to make a note of that. All right, and email address at mail time, okay. So you have not had any issues with identity theft related to taxes?
No.
Okay. Did you get any letters from the IRS?
No, I haven't.
Okay, so no concerns there. Can anybody claim you as a dependent on their taxes?
No.
Okay. And so you said you've never been married?
Correct.
All right. So you didn't get married this year.
No.
Let's see. And you have a son?
Correct.
All right. And let's see. He lived with you all year?
Correct.
Great. Okay. So he is here in the United States,
Mm-hmm.
not disabled.
Nope.
And he's not over 18, so we don't have to worry about that. Is he working at all?
No.
All right. And then can anybody else claim him as a dependent?
No.
Okay. Mom's not planning on it. You don't switch off or anything like that?
No.
Okay. Did you provide over half of Juan's support?
Yes.
Okay. Do you provide over half the cost of maintaining your home?
Yes.
Okay. And he does live with you, so we don't need to worry about that part. Okay. Anybody else in your household or anybody else that you support?
No.
Okay. Do you have photo ID for yourself and social security cards for everybody?
Grab that.
I could just take a look at those.
Okay, so there's my ID.
Okay.
My social. And my son's social.
Oh, perfect. All right. I'm going to set these over here. I'll need those later to type some stuff in.
Okay.
Okay? All right. So you filled out our demographic section. Thank you very much. And you would like direct deposit. Okay, just the same account for your federal and state.
Yes, please.
All right. Let's see. And we're just doing this current year's taxes.
Mm-hmm.
You lived and worked in Nebraska?
Yes.
Okay. You don't own your own home, not a teacher or in the military.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So I'm just going to ask you some questions about some of the tax information that you might have now, okay? So did you work last year? Did you have a full-time job, part-time jobs, self-employment?
Full-time, yes.
Full-time?
Just one job.
Just one, okay. Do you have that W-2 with you?
Yes.
If I could see that.
I do.
Perfect. And that is just in Nebraska, okay. And it's the current years. All right. Any self-employment?
No.
Did you receive any unemployment last year?
No.
Any tips that weren't reported as part of your W-2?
No.
Okay. Any interest or dividends?
Nope.
Did you happen to itemize on your taxes last year?
No.
Okay. Then we don't have to worry about any kind of refund from last year. Do you receive any alimony income?
I do not.
Okay. Anything from any stocks or bonds?
Nope.
Do you own a rental property?
Nope.
Okay. How about any other forms of income that we haven't talked about yet? Like any gambling income, jury
I
duty
wish.
awards? No?
No.
All right. Yeah, I hear you. Let's see here. Did you happen to take any money out of retirement last year for any reason?
No.
Okay. Did you get any Social Security or railroad retirement? How about any other kind of disability income?
Nope.
All right. Did you put any money into a retirement account last year?
Yes, I did.
Okay. Was that through your work or as a separate account?
Just through my work.
Okay. So that will be captured on your W-2.
Okay.
And you said you didn't go to school last year?
No.
Okay. And Juan's not old enough to go to college yet. You got a
No.
while on that one. Okay, you're not a teacher. Are you paying off any student loans currently?
No.
Okay. Do you make any alimony payments?
No.
All right. Do you have any unreimbursed medical, dental, property taxes?
No.
All right, those would be things that we would use to itemize your taxes instead of taking the standard deduction. And usually if you don't own your own home, it's probably not going to be something that we have to worry about too much.
Okay.
Any charitable contributions?
No.
Okay. How about any childcare for one?
Yes.
All right, did you get a form or anything for that?
Yes, I got a letter from
Oh,
them.
that is perfect. All right, so let's see, make sure we have their address and ID. That is exactly what we need. Awesome. So I'm just going to make a note here that we have a letter. I'll have to fill all that other part in. All right. Do you happen to have a health savings account?
No, I don't think so.
Okay. That's a special kind of account that you would have if you have a high deductible health insurance plan.
Okay. Yeah,
Okay.
no, I don't think so.
Okay. Have you ever had a credit card or any other kind of debt canceled or forgiven?
No, I wish.
Well,
That would be nice.
sometimes that sounds nice, but then you have to pay taxes on that money,
Oh.
so it's not all that great. How about a mortgage forgiven or foreclosed on?
Nope.
Okay. Have you ever had any credits disallowed in a prior year?
No.
Okay. Disallowed is when the IRS asks for additional information to see if you were allowed to claim a credit, typically about a child, if two people tried to claim the same child.
Okay, yeah, no.
Okay.
No, I haven't.
And we don't own a home, so we don't have to worry about these next two. Did you make any estimated tax payments throughout the year?
No.
Okay. Did you ever have a capital loss carryover in the past where you sold stocks at a loss and it was a lot?
No.
Okay. You didn't adopt one last year, did you?
Nope.
Okay. Did you have any health insurance through the marketplace last year?
Marketplace?
Yeah, that's the ACA. That's when you go off by yourself to get your insurance. It's not through work or
Okay.
the state.
Yeah, no.
Okay. All right, because if you did, we'd have to have a form for that. But if no, then we should be all right. Any other tax forms that you have today?
No,
Okay, any other questions that you have before we get started?
I don't think so.
All right, then I think we are going to be good to get started typing, okay?
Okay, awesome.